Today's cocktail is the Grinch's Eggnog, featuring the man himself, who's going to show us how to make it, Kevin Kos. What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. Happy holidays, everybody, and welcome to the Rusty Bartender's Christmas Cocktail Advent Calendar. If you're brand new to this Advent Calendar series, we have special guest episodes. This one features the legendary Kevin Kos. We have prizes to be won. Check the description below for details. Anyway, in the world of cocktails, some cocktails will impress you, some cocktails will teach you something. Kevin Kos's cocktails will do a bit of both. When he agreed to be on this channel, I genuinely could not believe it, because he really is YouTube cocktail royalty. And if I'm being completely honest, I know that most of you who are watching this video right now have clicked on that thumbnail to see the man himself and not this Irish fella wearing a Santa hat flapping his gums. So without further ado, the man, the myth, the legend, over to Kevin himself.
Hi Rusty, hi everyone, I'm Kevin from Cocktail Time with Kevin Kos. Thanks for having me on your Christmas cocktail advent calendar to share one of my favorite Christmas cocktails, the Grinch's Eggnog. This was created for one of the special episodes we like to do from time to time, and it was one of my favorites to shoot. Here's the story. I was minding my own business when the Grinch showed up, stole my Cocktail Time watch, and left a note, saying I have to make a tropical eggnog that's dairy-free and green if I want my watch back. I started with egg yolks as the base. For sweetness, I made a banana oleo saccharum with banana peels, white peppercorns, allspice, and sugar to create a tropical funky syrup. Instead of cream and milk, I used coconut cream and coconut milk. I always like to add a few drops of saline solution to boost all the flavors, so I did that here too. Then the booze. I used smoked pineapple Anejo Tequila. But if you are allergic to pineapple, feel free to infuse tequila with some dried mango for a nice tropical note. This is then nicely complemented by Fino sherry. And lastly, some matcha powder to make it green like the Grinch. Blend, bottle, chill, and it's ready to be served, with a bit of grated nutmeg on top. But it was time to pack the bag with some bottled eggnog and head up the mountain to get my watch back. I was freezing, but it was worth it. Not just because this made for a really fun shoot, but also because I really wanted my watch back. So here's how the story unfolded. Mr. Grinch! Mr. Grinch! I came for my watch! I brought you some eggnog!
Let's see what you got.
It's something to make you feel merry. It's green, it's got coconut, pineapple, banana, and it's still an eggnog.
Oh, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it! It's delicious!
So, can I get my watch back?
Okay, bye-bye now.
Well, that was kinda rude. So at the end, everything worked out. I got my watch back, and I ended up making one of my favorite Christmas drinks. Rusty, I hope you'll enjoy the Grinch's Eggnog as much as the Grinch did. Merry Christmas to you, and cheers to all your viewers as well. Happy holidays, friends of cocktails.
How good was that video? Anyway, before I give this a little sip and taste what it's all about, I actually made my Grinch's Eggnog with Kevin's suggestion of infusing tequila with dried mango, because I am one of those people who is actually allergic to pineapple juice. And on another little bonus note, the banana oleo saccharum that you make to make this drink, bonus points, because that is not going to last long in my house, because my kids found me making that 2 days ago in the kitchen, and they have been adding it to vanilla milkshakes in the house. And I tell you, that makes a vanilla milkshake top tier. So shout out to my kids. Anyway, let's give it a little taste to see what's going on in the glass. That is going to give me a green mustache. It's a little bit fruity, it's a little bit earthy, deliciously creamy. You get the coconut flavor with a bit of fruitiness right up front. The tequila's kicking in. This is a super eggnog. That is just superb. It's very balanced too. It's not overly sweet like you expect from an eggnog. That is a really balanced, nuanced eggnog. This is great. This is great, yes.
Tomorrow is Christmas. It's practically here.
So Kevin, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I know this time of year it is so busy, and I really, really appreciate the effort that you've went into. So thank you, sir, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.